Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening an elevated command prompt so you can create or modify tasks without permission errors. Once open, change directories to where your script or exe lives using cd and verify it runs by typing its name. Make sure the file path has no spaces or wrap it in quotes. Once done, test the command directly in this window so you know it succeeds before scheduling, because a working command now prevents later failures. You'll construct the stasks command to register the job. Start with stask/create, choose /sc daily or another frequency, then set /tn schedule1 and /trc /path /to /your exe in quotes. Specify /sdhh for start time and /rel highest if the task needs elevated privileges. If it should run under a user account, add /r. You finish by confirming the task works and learning how to fix problems quickly. Query the scheduler to see status and next runtime, then trigger stasks/run/tn schedule1 to test. If it doesn't execute, inspect Event Viewer and the task scheduler history for error codes, and make sure your command path, user rights, and quoting are correct. If permissions block the action, switch to system or supply proper credentials, then rerun the create and test steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.